everyone, and welcome back for a new episode. In this one I'm gonna do something different. I'm not gonna fix anything. Actually, I'm just gonna present you this camper van. Now I have this car for about 3 months or so. I wanted to do a video about it, the process of building it, but I didn't see the point because this one is my first camper van. I have no prior experience about it, and I just did it so it's gonna be functional for me and my wife to travel around. I actually got this van very cheap because it was very rusty. I fixed all of the rust underneath, all the structural rust. Everything else is pretty good on this car. The engine works really good. The mileage is really low. Has like 2300,000 miles, which is very low mileage for this van. It's a 2-liter motor, TDCI I think, with a classical injection pump. I'm just gonna wash it and go somewhere and show you all of the features of this car. I washed the car and I got myself something cold. I am gonna look up a nice place to film a video about it. Now, what I want to do with it is not to just show you the car, it's to tell you the story, what I want to do with it, and if you're gonna see it on my channel again, to know a little bit of insights about it, because I told you before, I didn't make any video when I got it. So let's head into the woods and make the video. So this is the setup. It's a very simple one because the van is such a short base, it's like the shortest, but it has the height, that's why I like it. We have the bed that it's made on a platform that is also removable, so I can still use this van. Up there I have my kitchen. At the beginning of the season I used the inside grill to cook my food, so that was the best place to put it because it was very cold outside, so I used to cook only on the inside. Here I have a TV. It's not a smart TV, we only use it with USB drive. We have like 3 movies on it because it doesn't support the big ones like the 100 gigs. But yeah, this is the TV. It's a pretty big one and it's on this swivel, so I can use it in every which way I want. I can pull it like here, I can turn it around, I can put it closer to the bed, or I can just fold it away. I'm gonna leave it alone. Up there I have a mini fridge. I use it with ice bottles that I leave in the freezer and just use it like a normal cooler. I have a trash can which is full of tools. I actually have in it a vacuum cleaner, a battery powered one, and some tools, a lantern. When we go camping I get the tools out and I use it as a normal trash can. In here I have more space, but I don't really use it because I'm gonna show you why in a second. I have more space in the back of the camper van. These are the shelves. We have condiments, some rice. Let me get the TV out of the way. Okay, this is the rear end view. It's actually looking pretty nice. I was thinking about putting a little chair here so I can work on this tabletop. This tabletop is just a normal one, it doesn't fold up. I don't think we need it. For the next camper van I'm gonna still do something like this to have inside. This is the bed. The first version of the bed, it was a little bit shorter that way. It was kind of tight for 2 persons, so I made it like 10 centimeters wider after the fact, and now it's a perfect size bed. You can sleep straight on or sideways, but sideways is the most comfortable position. As we go in the back you have access to the bed, so in the morning you can look outside directly. In here we have all the luggage that we need. Another cooler, fishing stuff, chairs, tables, foldable tables, a little stove that I'm gonna show you later when we go fishing, and a portable toilet. We tend to not really use the portable toilet, we actually have it just in case we need it for emergency only. Bed, it's actually just a mattress on a platform that I made. It goes until the end, and I can pull it out if I want it, to just get it out, so the whole van goes back to its original. Now in the front there's nothing much. One huge downside of this van, that's why even the price was so low, it's the AC. As you can see, it doesn't have it. I'm gonna look in the future to mount stationary AC so we can use with our solar panel, but until then we're just gonna have to take the heat. For power we actually have there an inverter. It's a 500 watts inverter, it's like the weakest one, and in there is the battery of the car. We use it in parallel. Up on the van we have a solar panel. I don't know how big it is, but it's enough for us. We have the TV and the camper, it's perfect. This is the side look of the car. It's pretty clean. We fixed all of the rust that she had. One thing we are missing, I ordered it and we need to mount it up. It's a side window, so we have it on this side also. So tonight I plan to go with my wife and the dog to a local river that we normally go to fishing. Show you more of the features of the camper there. We have reached the river. It's time to set it up. For tonight I'm just gonna do a barbecue with some vegetables. I actually need only 2 chairs and a table. Today is not a good day for fishing. The water is very dirty today. I always hated these foldable tables. Let's go fishing. The dog is very happy to be here. It's his favorite place. Funny enough, my favorite thing to do is not to get a fish, but to get the dog into the water and just have fun with it. My favorite method is the spoon method, but it's not the most efficient for this water. I actually only caught a few fish like this. But one thing I hate is the grown fishing, because you don't get to do anything. You just set up the bait and you just wait. It's the most annoying thing. This spoon fishing is like, it's way more, how you call it, way more immersive, and it's a bit more dynamic. I'm gonna keep on trying to fish something for a few hours, but if nothing, we'll go home. Some say the secret of fishing is like luring very slowly. I don't have patience even for that. But at least the dog is happy. He's having the time of his life. Nothing again. I'm starting to think that this water has no fish in it. But who am I to say? I'm going to head back to the car and make the barbecue. The weather is really nice. It's like this windy, musty situation. What is nice about this setup that you see there, it was really fast to set it up, like 5 minutes of work and you have all of this, and it's pretty nice. Spark actually decided it was time for a bath right here. After that we finished the grill and we eat. We didn't do anything else. The food was delicious. We didn't cut any fish, but as I said, it wasn't the main goal here. Sometimes big content creators make it seem like it's an impossible dream to have. Actually, you can do it with just €1,000 van and the dog. The dog is actually not optional. You must have the dog. All in all, it was a successful trip. So this was the camper. I hope you liked it. We are gonna watch a movie and then go home. This is the view. We are getting out of the woods. This was our experience. I hope you enjoyed the video and please come back for more content about this camper van.